Okay, so this is what we got. Okay, let's start off over here. My husband likes these vitamin waters. I get him Revive and Focus. We got some Natural Welch's grape jelly. We got some cherries to go with our canned fruit. We got the mandarins, the peaches, and the pineapples, and the pears to go with that. And then we have the Chef Boyardee mac and cheese to have on hand for easy meals. And then I don't normally buy these. I got pizza, sour cream, cheddar, and the barbecue. Can't forget the wine or your alcohol of choice. And we have some strawberries and grapes. We got the Bold Mix chips. And I don't always buy these, but these are just good every once in a while. The beef jerky Jack Links. And I also got these Slim Jims to switch it up. And then I got some Philadelphia cream cheese because we have bagels but no cream cheese. So I got the garden and the blueberry. And these are for my son who's lactose intolerant and loves dairy. And then we got some fig bars. I stocked up and got 2. And these were pretty cool. They had these strawberry mini donuts. I've never had the strawberry ones, so my kids will love that. They also have the old-fashioned ones that I got. And the blueberry ones I got for my husband for breakfast. Then I got some Activia yogurt. We have some of the colored goldfish. And these were also for my husband, his little drinks, the green tea. And we have the animal crackers. And I got a couple of these to stock up on as well. The party mix. And I just got these hangers for my kids. And I think that was it. And that concludes the haul for today. So I forgot to add this to my video of my Walmart haul. I got 2 packs of water. I don't like buying bottled water, but I have to replace my kids' water bottles. And these are just good for my husband if he ever needs to have water on hand. He has it. And then we have Pepsi, Dr. Pepper, and Mountain Dew because I drink this, my husband drinks this, and my son drinks this. So we each have our preference. And that's what I forgot to add to the haul.
Yeah.